Throughout the pandemic, we have stressed the need for medical care, particularly in communities of color. Bill List takes us inside a newly opened state-of-the-art health center, which meets that need on Atlanta's West End.
From the outside, it's a spanking new 3-story glass and steel building across Lee Street from the Morehouse School of Medicine's campus. But inside, it's a state-of-the-art Morehouse healthcare center, open for about a month and already a magnet for people in the West End community.
They were happy to see that this caliber of clinic was being opened in the West End. And then two, that we were offering the opportunity to everyone, but in particular, people of color.
The center's medical director, Dr. Michelle Nichols, says one of the biggest draws has been the COVID-19 vaccinations. They started giving them on January 5th and have already administered well over 2,000, mostly to Atlanta West Enders.
We can definitely say that we are doing close to 70% of the people who have been coming to our sites are people from our community and also people who are people of color.
But that's just the beginning. The healthcare center has 2 full floors of diagnostic and high-tech equipment, including CT scanners. And it boasts 42 examining rooms, all equipped with teleconferencing equipment, valuable in reaching patients during the pandemic, both in the community and students on the campuses of Morehouse, Spelman, and Clark Atlanta.
I just got my second shot, and I am so happy.
And for Atlanta West Enders, the new center provides much-needed access.
I saw you can walk here. You can get off the bus right here. You can be, it's the best thing that happened, I think, for us in this area.
And for Dr. Nichols and her team, the health center, which took more than 3 years of planning and development and still has yet to get a permanent sign, is a source of great pride on Atlanta's West End.
We are bringing them the same level of care as everyone else, that we are coming to their community and that they don't have to travel outside of their community. So the response has been excellent.
Bill List reporting for us there. The Morehouse Health Center currently has a waiting list of 8,000 West Enders and Fulton County residents waiting for their first COVID vaccinations. The good news, Morehouse plans to restart giving those first vaccinations this weekend to all who've signed up.